to turn off or on using your contacts on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click the storylines here and then click settings. Now click permissions and then scroll all the way down. Just wait a few seconds. And now scroll down, scroll until you find contacts, and here is it. Now turn those off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.